Jacob & Company. Epic X Chrono Tourbillon Baguette. Main features are Jacob & Company. Epic X Chrono Tourbillon Baguette is a remarkable fusion of high-end watchmaking and exquisite jewelry. It's defined by its distinctive X-shaped design, complex chronograph function, and 1-minute flying tourbillon, all highlighted by extensive baguette-cut gem setting. Caliber: Jacob & Company. J9 skeleton, self-winding mechanical chronograph movement. Number of components 278. Number of jewels 51. Power reserve 48 hours. Functions hours and minutes, off-centered. Small seconds, typically at 9 o'clock. 1-minute flying tourbillon, visible at 6 o'clock, with an open-worked carriage. By Compax chronograph, with column wheel central chronograph seconds hand. 30-minute counter at 3 o'clock. Rotating inner ring, driven by a second crown at 10 o'clock. This ring allows for setting time marks or a countdown function. Case size 47 mm diameter. Case height thickness 14 mm. Case material typically 18K white gold or 18K rose gold, with pushers and crowns in matching gold. Crystal: anti-reflective sapphire crystal, domed on the front, flat on the case back. Case back gray mineral and sapphire crystal, offering a view of the movement. Water resistance 200 meters, 20 atm, exceptionally high for a high jewelry tourbillon. Design features the signature X-shaped lugs that seamlessly integrate with the bezel, forming a continuous structure around the movement. The pushers and crowns are engineered to protrude minimally, enhancing ruggedness. Dial: semi-transparent, typically made of gray or smoked mineral crystal, which allows a view into the skeletonized and gem-set movement underneath. Subdials: the chronograph counters are integrated into the transparent dial.